your friendly neighborhood librarian, Mary, and today we're going to do DIY bath salts. And why are we doing bath salts? Because, my friends, we have been in this pandemic for a stinking year. So, let's have some self-care and take care of us, because, man, life is pretty hard right now. So, you picked up your bag earlier from our adult circulation desk, and so our little paper bags, let's see what we have in here. So, we have a little jar that we're going to put our bath salts in when we're done. Let's see. We have Epsom salts. And then we also have 3 containers. So, coconut oil, sea salt, and baking soda. Alright, so you're going to need a bowl at home, and you're also going to need some type of essential oil. So if you don't have essential oil in the house, that's okay. You can just use vanilla extract. It works the same. But often, because they're really popular, a lot of people have like peppermint oil or lavender oil in the house, so you can use those too if you want. But like I said, if you don't, just grab some vanilla extract from your kitchen. It works great in cupcakes and in bath salts. So let's do this. Alright, you're also going to use a spoon, which this spoon's my tester spoon, so it's why a little dirty. Alright, so first things first, we're going to take the Epsom salts, which is in this bag. Just dump them in. This is a super easy craft. Not time consuming at all. And our sea salt, I think this is actually Dead Sea salt, which is like a little bit coarser. Put that in. We're going to mix it all together. So that's cool. Mix it all up. Then we're going to take baking soda, I believe. Yep. A little baking soda in there. We're going to mix that in. This one takes a little bit longer to mix in because it's way finer than the coarse grains of salt. But that's okay. You don't want to overmix it. I'm just kidding. It's not pie crust. You can overmix it. Alright, so that's in. Let's see. Then you're going to drip in, if you have essential oils, do that. Like I said, we're using vanilla extract. So if you do have essential oils, you want to put like 5 drops in. So I'm going to try and pour 5 drops of vanilla extract. It might not go quite as well because it's not quite it's a little bit more liquidy. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so we got our 5 drops of vanilla extract in there. Let me just cap that off so I don't accidentally spill it everywhere. That smells delicious. You know, one thing I love about vanilla is it's such a relaxing, soothing smell. So we're going to mix that up. I'm sticking a little. You just want to try and get it mixed through the salt. Now, for our next stage, this is the last thing that we have to put in here. You use, like, they call it a carrier oil. So it can be jojoba or almond. We used coconut oil. So it's delicious to cook with and apparently great in bath salts. So this will help it kind of just gel together. It's super oily, which will also probably be great for your skin because it'll moisturize. Alright. So this mixing will take a little bit longer. That's okay. And it's definitely getting like a little bit, doesn't have like as dry of a consistency anymore because the oil really gets in there, kind of runs through it. I also included a little jar. So since this is like a one-use bath salt, like it's a one-bath bath salt, we put jars in here so that way if you wanted to just kind of keep them, if you didn't want to use them right away. And just, you know, make sure that once you put it in your jar, that you store it in a cool, dry place. So maybe not in the bathroom, because the bathroom can get a little warm with the humidity of the shower. And then you're good to go, my friends. So I'm just going to put this in my jar, And let's see what happens. And voila, there we go. We now have made bath salts. So we can go throw this in our bathtub and have a nice, relaxing soak. Alright, my friends, it's been a year of the pandemic. Don't forget your self-care. Alright, this has been Crafting with Cragen. We'll see you next time.